the governor for Kisii County, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati, to greet us, talk to us, and invite us to Kisii County. Your Excellency, Professor. Of course, you'll be a professor soon. Huh? Your Excellency, karibu.
Thank you, Thank you, the Cabinet Secretary for Education, Julius Migosi Ogamba, the Chairperson of University Council, Dr. Sarah Ruto, the Vice Chancellor, Professor Nathan Ogech, parents, guardians, and graduates. Is it morning or afternoon? Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to join you on this occasion when the Kisii University holds its 13th graduation ceremony. This is a special occasion which each of 3,794 graduates, their parents, siblings, and friends celebrate a significant milestone in their career development. We celebrate the achievement and congratulate the graduates in postgraduate, degree, diploma, and certificate courses. Kisii University is an important institution in this country that produces graduates in various fields of study. Its contribution to the local economy is immense. Since its inception in the year 2007, initially as a college of Egerton University, this institution has grown in leaps and bounds to reach its current status. And I'm happy that the Vice Chancellor of Egerton University is with us here. I commend the management for transforming the institution to a reputable university, attracting a higher number of students from all over the world. We are proud of this university. And Professor Gechi, you just mentioned there is a program we have with Manchester University and other universities to make sure we've integrated with many courses that in the future will help the young people. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are aware, the Constitution in 4th schedule has assigned functions of pre-primary, village polytechnics, home craft centers, and child care facilities to county government. The education sector has not yet, therefore, been fully developed because basic education, primary and secondary, tertiary and university education have been retained by the national government. However, the county government has taken necessary measures, including affirmative actions program, to ensure that our youth access relevant education and training. We are always ready to support the partner with the stakeholders, including national government, in ensuring that quality education is offered at all levels of education. We have taken keen interest in all levels of education because as an employer, we care about type of education our current and future employees receive, and this does not affect their effectiveness in service delivery for our beloved country. Many graduates from Kisii University work in the county government of Kisii at various levels. I encourage graduating today to apply for opportunities to work in the county government wherever that arises. For this reason, I urge the Kisii University community to continue ascribing to highest standard of academia to ensure continuous production of quality graduates. You know, Professor Oyula said there is a disease called STG, sexually transmitted what? Grades. Prof, we had you. Thank you. That we avoid going through that part. Prof, I know you're up to the task and we'll be able to get the best from the university. Ladies and gentlemen, to boost transition rates in our learning institutions, we continue dispersing the Kisii County Bursary Fund to needy students. About 30% of these funds goes to tertiary institutions. Recently dispersed around 225 million in bursaries. As a county, we're aware of challenges facing this institution, especially access roads, street lighting, and lack of pedestrian pavement. We have set aside funds, and I want to say this week I think my team of procurement, they were able to evaluate and they have awarded, especially this road coming to the university for pavement. And Prof, congratulations, I've seen you have started, you're doing a good job, the other side. Thank you, because you're making this a center of learning, yes, as an excellence as it is. Ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, allow me to once more congratulate the students who are just about to graduate. As we depart from this college, I wish each and every one of you every success in the future endeavors. You will serve as a role model to many youths in the community who are yet to appreciate the value of tertiary education in socio-economic development. I urge you to carry yourselves with dignity and integrity in performance of your duties. There is many opportunities. There are jobs outside there. It requires people who are determined, and Prof. Oyula, you just put it correctly. Achola, Professor Achola. Allow me to mention one thing before end my speech here. I want to urge all those ones who are using roads at this festival season, please, these graduates, let them reach home safely. Let us observe traffic rules. It's rainy, Kisii, this is how it is, this is our bride, but we want to urge the drivers and those ones who are being carried in those rollies and vehicles, kindly make sure those drivers observe traffic rules. For those ones who are finishing college today, go acquire passports. There are many opportunities. There is, Professor, you said something that we aim what? Our attitude? Our attitudes? It determines our attitudes. We have a story to tell one day. You guys be determined. There is opportunities, there is work, and this country must make it great once more. Thank you. God bless you.